excited, dude?
Yes.
Woo! I'm so excited.
Oh, swimming.
Yay!
I feel we're gonna drop down.
There's the ocean. Here we go. Yay! We've got a kitchen, 2 rooms, yeah. And the view of the ocean out here. I know, I'm so excited. We did pretty good.
Yeah, we did.
Found a deal. I'm all about
bad
finding
for a
deals.
deal. I was like, I'm sure this place is going to be under construction or something.
Yeah.
This is too good of a deal.
Because we found a great
It
deal.
was ridiculous.
What do you find, Linky? Do you want to go see the water? It's so cool. I know it's really humid out there. We're gonna go swim later.
Oh my god, it's like hitting you like a hot in the face.
It's a wall of
You walk out,
humidity.
Yeah.
At least there's water
Oh,
and a beautiful,
yeah,
beautiful view. That's gonna be awesome. There you go. Good job. Do you like the girls' room too? He's like, I need to see every inch of this place. What do you guys think?
It's really good.
It's gonna be fun. What's wrong? Dude! That's awesome. I literally was vlogging while you did that. That's so funny. I thought you saw a roach or something. Did you get that on? Oh my gosh, that's awesome. I love it. That's perfect.
What's up, beautiful people? We are here in South Padre
so
Island.
excited.
Just doing a little social distancing here at the beach
Yeah.
for Amanda's birthday. Hey, buddy.
He's collecting the remote.
He's collecting all the air conditioning
Did you
remotes.
Yeah, and he's eating
Yeah,
his
what are
snack.
you eating?
I gave him some jerky.
That's funny.
We found some bacon jerky when we stopped. on the
And
way
no
here.
carbs. That's hard to find,
Yeah,
actually.
I know. I was like, Steven's gonna love this. I was like, ta-da!
And then Lincoln's eating it all.
Yeah.
Hey, bud.
Can we share?
What you got?
He's just happy to be out of the car at this point.
He is. It was only about a 4.5-hour drive.
Yeah,
but
not too bad.
Not too bad. But I've never been to Padre before. You grew up kind of coming here.
Yeah, my dad had a job here for a while, and so we would come here on the weekends with like my sisters, my mom, and stuff. And so it's been a long time, but I'm so excited to be here for a couple of days, just kind of doing this like a social distancing kind of way.
Yeah.
We're not going to be hanging out in crowds or going to restaurants. There
we're
is a kitchen here, so we're going to do like the cooking here and just
Cook
kind
our
of
own
relax.
meals. Just kind of hang out on the
Yeah.
beach. There's actually, you can kind of see it over here.
Yeah.
There's pretty big sections that people aren't there. So we'll be able to kind of go down there and hang out a little bit, stake our claim, stake our ground, and just spend some time together out on the beach. And then there's actually a pool here. Hopefully it's not too crowded. If it is, we'll be probably not going down there. So we're just gonna kind of take it easy and just enjoy a little bit of time together for this lady's birthday.
So excited. I just love spending time together, just like special time where we're not like doing a million things. Yeah. Just getting to enjoy each other. It's just my absolute
Somebody commented recently, they were like, you know the video's begun when Lincoln says bye. Which is so true.
Oh, we're just so excited to be here. It's going to be a wonderful time.
It's going to be awesome.
Okay, so guys, we're actually putting on our masks and we are going to be moving rooms because they did not give us the right condo and
Totally
there's not enough beds. We just realized we're like
Horrible
counting
view.
rooms. It's not a horrible view.
We're spoiled.
But we just realized we don't have enough beds, and that's actually a big deal. I don't really care about the view, but
We're not normally those people who are like, this is the wrong room. But
I don't want the kids sleeping on the floor. So anyways, the kids are getting on their stuff, their masks, and we are gonna go up 2 floors. Oh, is that the mask that you're gonna wear?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, cool. We're just going up 2 floors. Are you guys ready?
Yeah.
You're wearing your, that's so funny. Then you don't have to carry it, that's smart. You ready, Linky? He's like, let's go. This one's gonna fit us a little bit better.
This is the one.
Yeah, oh guys, wow.
We got a hot tub.
Oh yeah, oh, you can see the pool over there too. Oh my goodness, that's so exciting.
This is a lot better.
This is a better view. Isn't this nice?
So much better.
I know. I was like, you know, I don't want to be ungrateful, but I don't think they gave us the right room.
I mean, I hate complaining, but
I know, we're not that kind of people that are normally like, you know, oh, this isn't good enough or whatever, but I was like, I'm pretty sure this is not correct. And we don't want our kids sleeping on the floor. That's the big deal.
Right?
So
This is awesome.
yeah, this is definitely a little bit more room. We've got a dining table here now. That's nice. Did you see, Liam?
Yeah.
Cool. Yeah, okay, more beds. That's definitely helpful. This will fit our large family a little bit better.
Whoa.
Spider-Man.
This is yours.
This is your bed? I don't know about that. I think this might be me and Daddy's bed. Oh, wow, it wraps around to here. Oh, that's so nice. And I see some areas where it's not as busy, so we'll just have to, yeah,
We can set up shop over there, feel totally safe.
find some non-busy areas.
Breathe some clean, non-COVID
Yeah.
air.
Yeah. Is that Spider-Man over there? What? Hey, Spider-Man. Are you gonna hang out with us today? Oh, okay, good.
we are.
That's so exciting. So I think we're gonna order some dinner really quickly. Lincoln is getting hangry over here.
Everybody's getting
Yeah, he's like, feed me, please. Are you hungry, Lincoln? He's like, I was in the car a long time and all I had was some snacks. Yeah, it's time to eat. Now he's smiling. He was not happy a minute ago. But anyways, we're gonna eat some dinner, probably order something here to the room, and then probably put on our swimsuits and go walk and hang out on the beach a little bit.
Let's go to the beach. Let's
No,
go.
and get away.
It started! Yes! Oh my gosh, yay! Thank you so much. Okay guys, so a crazy thing just happened. We just left the kids at the hotel with dinner and we were just running to the store really quickly because we'd forgotten
diapers.
We forgot pull-ups for Lincoln and some water and stuff, and so we were gonna go just really quickly, and when we came out of the store, our car wouldn't start. The van was like completely dead. The battery would not turn over at all, and the nicest men just stopped and they helped us and they tried to start it and it wouldn't start, and then they literally took us like 20 minutes away to pick up a battery and then brought it back and put it in for us, and they were just so incredibly kind.
I'm pretty sure it was like
Such an answer to
angels from
prayer.
God, yeah.
I know. Thankfully, like, the kids had dinner delivered to the hotel, so they
Yeah.
were able to just stay in the room and eat and all of that, and Reese was
Yeah.
babysitting. Just so thankful, especially because, like, during this time with COVID and wearing masks and stuff, we were like, is anybody gonna want to help us?
Even let us get a jump off of
Yeah,
them?
so
You
it
know?
was so kind of them
They
to
were so
help
nice.
us out. The sun's setting now and we can enjoy the beach a little bit, and I'm just so glad it's all worked out and we can head back to the hotel now.
Praise Jesus, hallelujah.
Look at how shallow it is, Lincoln. He's like, wait. Yay! Was that a cool trip? Do you want to go down, Lincoln? Is it cold or is it warm, Ethan? It's warm. Jude's gonna do it too. Jude barely fits. Lincoln thinks that's so funny. Oh my gosh, he was. Oh my gosh. He's a bird. Is that funny? You see Daddy? Oh, say good morning. Are we hungry? Gentle, Linky, gentle. Hey. Oh, some strawberries. You want some watermelon? Oh, careful. Here you go. Whole thing.
That's a big piece.
He's like, I will take all of
Look
it.
at him dancing. He's like,
Are you doing your happy dance, Linky?
I got the watermelon.
He is. Shikwa. Yeah. That's too big. He's like trying to fit the whole thing himself.
He's like,
Yeah. He's like, Daddy's doing it. The boys are out here. You guys looking at the ocean?
Yeah.
It's so beautiful. You guys want to swim at the beach today?
Yeah.
The boogie board. Yeah, we just bought a boogie board. That'll be fun. Oh my gosh.
You can have this laying on it and the boy will just take it.
Yeah. Yeah, really windy. We're gonna have to be careful. No, don't throw it off. Don't throw it off. That's silly. All right. Breakfast is served. Linky, I have a plate for you too, buddy. Come here. There you go. Say thank you, sister. Is it good? Tell Daddy, say thank you. Say thank you. He says, yes, I do. Say thank you, Daddy. Oh, that's so nice.
Cut off their heads and I put out the bones.
Penelope's like, I have no idea what you're doing.
He's like, I hate the water. Hey, buddy. Thank you. You gonna go in? Okay. Good job. All right, buddy. You're good now, huh? Watch it. He's gonna go to the waves though, and then he's gonna be like, no! There you go. There you go. Kenny. Watch out, guy. You gotta be very careful. Hey, if that undercurrent pulls you under, you're gone. Whoa! All right, ride the wave, ride the wave. Let's ride.
For your name's sake, you will lead me back home to you. God, for your name's sake, you will lead me back home to you.